Ayat-ul-Kursi, the throne verse, in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. We begin with one of the most powerful verses in the Quran, Ayat-ul-Kursi from Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255. Allah, there is no deity except Him, the ever-living, the sustainer of existence. Neither drowsiness overtakes Him nor sleep. Imagine the vastness of creation. Billions of galaxies, countless stars, infinite worlds. Yet all of this belongs to the one God. To Him belongs whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth. Who can intercede with Him except by His permission? He alone holds all authority and power. He knows what is before them and what will be after them, past, present, and future, all known to the Almighty. And they encompass not a thing of His knowledge except for what He wills. His kursi, His throne, extends over the heavens and the earth, encompassing all of creation, and their preservation tires Him not. He sustains all existence without fatigue, without rest. And He is the Most High, the Most Great. This is Ayat al-Kursi, a reminder of divine majesty, infinite knowledge, and eternal power.